In the medical medium Cleanse to Heal book, we're going to make the heavy metal detox smoothie. First, you're going to start with 2 ripe bananas, 1 cup of fresh cilantro. I like to blend it up a little bit. And then I'll add 1 tablespoon of Atlantic Dulse, 1 teaspoon of barley grass powder, and 1 teaspoon of spirulina. I'll blend that up a little bit. Juice 1 to 2 oranges and add the orange juice in the smoothie. And then 2 cups of frozen wild blueberries into the smoothie. Once you blend that up, it'll turn into this purple pretty color, and that's it. If you want it more liquidy, you can add 1/2 cup to 1 cup of water or more orange juice. Enjoy!